Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here let's tap on the wallpaper option. And as you can see here, we've got some albums to choose the wallpaper from. We can tap on local photos, which is right here, and then we will be transferred to the gallery and we will be able to pick our own photo and set it as a wallpaper. What's more, here we've got some pre-installed options and live wallpapers. What's more, under it, if you've got any internet connection, then you will be able to check some online wallpapers, and here you've got some wallpapers which you can actually download and set. So let me pick something. If you want to check the preview of the wallpaper, simply tap on it, and here we've got the preview, as you can see. Now if you are happy with your choice, simply tap on apply, and now you can decide where you want to set the wallpaper, so you can set it on the lock screen, home screen, or both. I will pick both, so simply tap on the option you want to use and let's wait. As you can see, the wallpaper has been applied, so let's go to our home page, and as you can see here, we've got our newly added wallpaper. Let's lock our device and check if it appeared on the lock screen also, and as you can see, it is also visible here. So actually that's all. This is how to set the wallpaper in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.